Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm making Chinese steamed egg. This is an old-time favorite. When we were kids, my mom used to make this for dinner. Not the main dish, but a side dish. And it's very easy to do, very quick, and it's tasty, and you'll see how it's made here. First of all, I have 3 eggs. I'm going to crack it into a Pyrex glass bowl at a 2-cup measure because you can see it very easily. Okay, now I'm going to beat this up really good. And the reason why I have a Pyrex dish is because I want to see the measurement on it. Now I have some chicken broth. You can use any kind of broth here. Most people use water, but I like the broth because it gives it a good taste. So what you're going to look at is there's 3/4 cups of egg altogether. Now you put the same amount of broth as it is egg. So it's 3/4 of egg. And then I'm going to put 3/4 cups of broth in it. So total amount is 1.5 cups. Mix it up real good again. Now I take a bowl that I'm going to use to steam and then a strainer. You have to strain the eggs so it'll be nice and smooth. So here we go. You're going to be left with some egg whites. If you don't strain it, it'll be kind of lumpy. But when you strain it, it becomes totally smooth. Strain out as much egg as possible. Now sprinkle a little bit of white pepper. Mix it up again. I have the water boiling, and I'm going to put it in a steamer for 10 minutes. I took it out of the steamer, and now I'm going to garnish it. So I have, first of all, a little soy sauce. And if you have more eggs, you follow the same procedure, but you may have to steam it a little longer. Okay. Then a little bit of sesame oil. Now sprinkle some finely grated dried shrimp. You can also use dried scallops too, but you have to soak the scallops. The shrimp, you don't have to soak it. Okay, now some green onions chopped up. And there you have it. Now to try it. Oh, it looks luscious. You see the custard? It's just so firm, but soft enough that it'll just melt in your mouth. Now, I love this. And you can feed it to babies, to elderly people. You don't even have to chew it. You just have to swallow it. You got to try this. It's really delicious. So light and fluffy and easy to eat. And the taste, you can doctor it up by putting different kind of sauces on it. Eat it with hot rice and other things. And you'll love this. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching, and see you on the next video.